kwa sababu tumeona wengine wamefanya tishio ya kufanya maandamano kwa hiyo, lakini tunasema kwamba njia muhimu ni sisi kuweka mawazo yetu pamoja ili kuweza kuhakikisha ile agenda ya rais na naibu ambayo inamlenga sana mwananchi wa chini inaweza kufanikiwa na nchi inaweza kufanikiwa kiuchumi. Kwa hivyo ni muhimu kuwe na mjadala wazi.
There are some proposals which we think are extremely harmful. There are some proposals which we think go against the law and even previous decisions by the courts. So we will be making a memorandum, or rather submitting a memorandum to Parliament. We hope that Parliament will consider our memorandum and do the right thing. As you are aware, we have previously challenged the stamp duty excise rules that were enacted the other day, and the High Court has stayed their implementation. So we are having a very keen eye on questions of tax matters and how they are being administered. And if we feel after Parliament has dealt with the finance bill that there are provisions that ought to be challenged in court, then we will do so.